Welcome to Sunday Business Tarka. Today we shall see how NFT is impacting the market and also some startup news. So let's understand what NFC stands for. NFC stands for non-fungible token. I will read out definition for you. It is data added to a file that creates a unique signature. It can be an image file, a song, a tweet, a text posted on a website, a physical item, and various other digital formats. This means that anyone can own a digital file. Now, this is bought and sold online. Most NFT marketplaces are operated through cryptocurrency and tokens. NFT mania has hit Bollywood, and Bollywood goes big on NFT. How? Let's know. Actor Salman Khan announced last week that he'll be rolling out NFT through Bollycoin. In June, India got its first NFT marketplace, which was launched by WazirX. After that, there has been explosion with the arrival of various marketplaces like Wall.app, BeyondLife.club, Rario, NFTcally, CricketCrazy.io, Vibraniums, besides Bollycoin and Collection. Filmmaker Atul Agnihotri founded Bollycoin, which has Arbaz Khan Productions, Sohail Gar Productions, and Nikhil Namit's Real Life Productions as clients. Films under their banners are available on Bollycoin. Now, what this means to fans? Fans can now mint clips and stills from films, iconic dialogues, posters, unseen footage, etc. Actor Sunil Shetty is an investor and advisor for Collection, which is an NFT marketplace on the Polygon network. The NFT buzz has also attracted cricketers like VVS Lakshman, Sunil Gavaskar, Zaheer Khan, among others. NFT hype has onboarded superstar Amitabh Bachchan and musician Kailash Kher. Mr. Bachchan has signed up for BeyondLife.club and his NFTs will be launched in November. Kailash Kher has tweeted his first look of upcoming NFT on his official Twitter ID. Of movies where things are forgotten quickly, it is to be seen how successful NFT mania is and how long it lasts. Moving ahead to startup news. 2021 has been remarkable for Indian startup ecosystem. The total funding in 2021 is reaching close to $32 billion mark. It is far ahead of combined figure for 2019 and 2020. Online festival sales has been very eventful for e-commerce giants. Different brands were able to sell goods worth $4.6 billion during first week starting from October 3 to October 10. There has been growth of 23% during this period. BharatPe and Centrum's Small Finance Bank went official. The Unity Small Finance Bank is said to be first digital SFB in India. Pine Labs has entered into the online payments space with Plural, which offers payment gateway and checkout system for merchants. Investors were bullish on Indian crypto startups. The funding was over $455 million between January 1 and October 9 in 2021. Crypto has become important part of Indian economy. That's all in Sunday Business Tarka. Join us next Sunday. Thank you.